We conduct full item physical and chemical tests for every batch of titanium dioxide products before shipment. In strict compliance with the national standard GB or T1706, our laboratory performs comprehensive performance inspections for each batch. We use X-surf spectrometry to detect TO purity and strictly restrict harmful impurities including iron and silicon. Laser particle size analyzers accurately verify the D50 particle size and particle size distribution, and professional spectrophotometers test whiteness, lab color parameters, tinting strength and hiding power. Meanwhile, key indicators such as oil absorption, water extract resistivity, volatile content and water-soluble substances are fully tested. Additional weather resistance simulation tests are carried out for rutile titanium dioxide. Only products that meet all indicators and obtain qualified quality reports are allowed for delivery. This effectively avoids problems such as color difference, poor dispersion and later pulverization, and fully ensures stable product performance in end applications including coatings, plastics and inks.